A federal judge in Texas has ordered the state to remove its floating border barriers from the Rio Grande. The order also prohibits Texas from setting up similar buoys, which were designed to keep away migrants. The decision came after the Biden administration sued in July. CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez joins us now. So, Camilo, what was the Biden administration arguing in its suit?
Hi, Elaine. Good evening. This is a significant legal victory for the Biden administration and a setback for Governor Greg Abbott, a Republican in Texas. Texas had been setting up these river barriers near Eagle Pass to repel migrant crossings, but the Biden administration quickly sued, arguing that it impeded Border Patrol agents from patrolling the border, that these barriers endangered the safety of migrants because it forced them to swim through deeper parts of the Rio Grande, and that it hurt U.S.-Mexico relations. When the barriers were set up, Elaine, they were actually initially assembled 80% of them at least on Mexican territory. And the Mexican government raised serious objections about these barriers, in their words, violating the country's sovereignty. Now this federal judge has agreed with the Biden administration's arguments and said that Texas has 10 days until September 15th to move these barriers away from the middle of the Rio Grande. And also, this ruling is prohibiting the state from setting up similar structures in the future. Texas has filed a notice to appeal this ruling, but for now, Elaine, the state has to comply with it and start the process of repositioning, at the very least, these barriers.
So that was going to be my question. This is a preliminary injunction, and what happens now, you just laid out those next steps. We know you'll continue to monitor that situation. Camilo Montoya-Galvez, thanks very much, Camilo.
Thanks, Elaine.